monitoring system. The purpose of this project is to create a simple diagram that help a user monitor electrical appliances, help their daily energy consumption, and estimate electricity cost based on the tariff per kilowatt hour. This project demonstrates several important programming concepts in C++, including the structure vectors, functions, field handling, input validation, and formatted output. During this presentation, I will explain how the code works, the logic behind the program, and how the system help in calculating energy usage. Now, I will walk through the code step by step. At the beginning of the program, I include several hidden files that allow the program to perform different tasks. For example, the ISO stream, the IO stream library is used for input and output operation, which allow the program to display message on the screen using cout and receive a usual input using cin. Vector. The vector library allow the program to store multiple appearances dynamically in a list. The stream library is used to store text value such as the name of appearance. The limit library help handle invalid input and clear error when a user type the wrong data type. The IO manipulate is used for formatting output so that the display appear organized in column. The the algorithm and C type library are used for text manipulation, particularly when converting a text to a lower cases for searching. Finally, the F stream library enable a files handling which allow the program to save appearances data and billing information into external files. Move on to a structure appearance. The structure is used to store the information about each electrical appearances. The structure contain three main variables. The first variable is the name of the appearance. The second variable is the power rating in watt. And the third variable representing the number of hours the applicant is used per day. Inside this structure, there is also a function. There is also a function calculate the daily consumptions of the appearance. The formula used is power multiplying by hours divided by 1000. This converts watts into kilowatt hour, which is the standard unit used to measure electrical energy consumption. And we can see the static watts, bad inputs, and all that. The lower the lower function. Another important function in this program is the lower function. This function converts a text into a lower cases character. This function is important is because it is allow the search features of the program to work correctly regardless of whether the user type upper cases or a lower case letter. The menu function. The function in this program is the menu function. This function display the main menu of the program. The menu allow the user to choose from several options. These options include what? Registered and new appearances, viewing all appearances, searching for what appearances viewed, and energy summary, calculating the bill summary or existing program. Registered 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 appearances. These registered appearances functions allow the user to enter information about a new appearances. This program asks for the appearances name, appearances names, and appearances name. Each power rating is what, and the number of hours it is used per day. Input validation is used to ensure that the value entered by the user are valid. For example, the power value must be greater than 0 and hours must be between 0 and 24. So these are the counts and clear bandwidth of that. So we are going to the viewers appearances. So the viewers appearances functions display all the appearances that have been registered in the system that have been registered in the system. The appearances are displayed in what? In the formatting table, showing the appearances number, name, power, power rating, and hours viewed per day. This make it easy for the user to view or store data clearly. So we are now moving to search appearances. The next features in the program is the searching function. This searching function allow the user to search for a specific appearances by name. The program compare the user search them searching terms with what? With the store appearances name. If a match is found, the the program displays the what? Appearances information, concluding its power rating, hours of usage, and daily energy consumption. This helps the user to understand how much electricity their appearances what consume daily. So this is all about it, and no appearances. So we'll move to show energy summary. So this is the energy summary. The energy summary functions calculate the daily energy consumptions of all registered appearances. It displays the energy consumptions for each appearances and then calculate the total energy used per day. This helps a user to understand how much electricity the appearances consume daily. So we will now move to calculation bill. Another important features of this program is the billing summary. The calculation bill functions asks the user to enter the electricity tariff per kilowatt. The program then multiplies the total energy consumptions by the tariff to calculate the estimated electricity cost. This giving the user an what estimate of how much electricity they have used and how much it may cost. So this is the total, and then so whenever the appearance is registered, the data is what saved in what a file called what appearance test. So this is the total cost, the tariff, this is the tariff and the total cost. So these are the total cost and all that. And then the main the main is the main function is where the program execute the beginning inside the main function and the vectors. So these are all the programming.
Say what I just told you to say.
The program and see now let's run the program and see the overview of what I'm saying. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how C++ can be used to build a simple electrical load monitoring system. The program allows a user to register appliances, calculate energy consumptions, estimate electricity bill, and store data using file handling. This project helped me practice important C++ concepts such as structure, vectors, functions, loops, input validations, and file operation. Thank you very much for watching this presentation.